ABML morning update. Nifty extends gain to new high but fails to sustain early gain as investors digest implication of US action in Venezuela. Global markets. US equity markets rose on Monday even after the US's attack on Venezuela and capture of leader Nicolas Maduro as crude oil prices saw gains and investors bet the action would not lead to bigger geopolitical conflicts that upset markets. Dow rose 1.23%, hitting an all-time high during the session, while S&P and Nasdaq advanced 0.64 and 0.69% respectively. Energy stocks led the gains on the notion the companies would benefit from rebuilding Venezuela's oil infrastructure. Chevron surged 5.1% and was seen as the biggest beneficiary because of its current presence in Venezuela, which has the largest proven oil reserves in the world. Even with the bullish equities reaction, traders also added exposure to gold. Futures contracts tied to the precious metal rose 2.8% for their best day since October 20. Bitcoin traded above $94,000. Financial stocks were higher as well, as those on Wall Street were betting on a strong US economy this year. European stocks preliminarily closed in positive territory on Monday as global markets react to the US overthrow of Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 was trading 0.9% higher at the closing bell in London, with most major bourses in positive territory and sectors mixed. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on January 5th. At close, the Sensex was down 0.38% at 85,440 and the Nifty was also down 0.3% at 26,250. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 91 points at 26,411, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's infrastructure push is being led by railways and renewable energy even as road spending slows. For FY26, road allocation remains unchanged at 2.7 lakh crore rupees, reflecting subdued project awards with about 65% capex utilization so far. Railways remain a key pillar with 42 projects worth over 25,000 crore rupees launched during the year and around 72% capex utilization. Over 4,600 kilometers of national highways spanning nearly 28,000 kilometers are under execution with an outlay of 7.7 lakh crore rupees. On renewables, India added a record 44.5 gigawatts in 2025, taking total installed capacity to 254 gigawatts, up over 23% year over year, underscoring renewables as a key long-term growth driver. Focus for the day. India PMI, US PMI. Key corporate developments or policy actions. Waaree Energies raised approximately 1,003 crore rupees for Waaree Energy Storage Solutions to support a planned 20 gigawatt-hours lithium-ion cell and pack manufacturing facility, advancing its 10,000 crore rupees capex program targeting utility-scale storage, EVs, etc. Swiggy launched its Eat Right health food category across 50-plus cities, seeing strong Tier 2 demand with orders doubling year-over-year, and now offers 1.8 million-plus dishes from 2 lakh-plus restaurants. In a block deal, Cyrus S. Poonawalla bought 11.23 lakh Swiggy shares at 377 rupees each, while Serum Institute of India sold the same. Adani Ports reported strong cargo growth in December 2025, handling 41.9 million metric tons, up 9% year-over-year, led by 18% year-over-year growth in containers, while year-to-date cargo rose 11% to 367.3 million metric tons, with containers up 21%, even as rail volumes were flat and GPWIS volumes fell 7%. Trent Q3 year-over-year saw standalone revenue rise 17% to 5,220 crore rupees, supported by store expansion with 17 new Westside and 48 Zudio outlets, taking total stores to 278 and 854 respectively as of December 2025. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 0.36 billion rupees, while DII bought for 17.64 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.